In this video, we're going to have some practice telling time. If you haven't seen the first three videos, telling time number 1, telling time number 2, and telling time number 3, I would suggest you stop this video right now and take a look at those before this practice exercise. If you are in my Spanish 1 class, you will want to get out one of our little pieces of paper, my little quiz sheets, or a little blank piece of paper, and write these down on the line side, on the reverse side. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it right now? Stop the video and see if you can write the sentence out. This is number 1. Son las 8. Number 2. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 5. Notice the question is, ¿qué hora es? That is, what time is it right now? ¿Qué hora es? This is number 3. Es la una. Oh, did you remember to use es la instead of son las? Because we're dealing with 1 o'clock. Number 4. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 10. ¿Qué hora es? This is number 5. Es el mediodía. Oh yes, notice the AM above the digital clock. It's 12 noon. Es el mediodía. Notice the L and the O in there, mediodía by the arrows. Dia is a masculine word, so it's got to be el mediodía. And we use S with this as well. ¿Qué horas son? Son las 2:30, or you could say, son las 2:30. Notice I say, ¿qué hora es? What time is it right now? And that answer will always begin with son las. Number 7. ¿A qué hora vas al cine? At what time are you going to the movie theater? Ooh, be careful with your answer here. A las 11:30. We answer the question a las because the question was started with a qué hora, at what time, at 11:30. A las 11:30. Or you could have answered with a las 11:30. Number 9. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 9:30. We use son las because the question was, ¿qué hora es? That is, what time is it right now? Or you could have answered, son las 9:30. Number 10. ¿A qué hora es la clase de inglés? A la 1:30. Oh, did you remember to answer with a? Because it asked, ¿a qué hora es la clase de inglés? What time is English class? So you'll have to answer with at, a. Oh, and did we fool you again? Remember, it's la una, We don't use las with first hour. So it's a la 1:30, or you could have said a la 1:30. ¿A qué hora es el almuerzo? What time is lunch? A las 11:45. At 11:45. Did you remember it's a las because I'm asking a qué hora? Or you could have said a las 12 menos cuarto. You'll say, wait a minute, Mr. Gardner, that's 12. 12 means 12. That's right. It's 12 at 12 o'clock minus 1/4 of an hour. 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes. And you can see by the blue arrow over on the upper left of the analog clock that we're at 12 o'clock and then we back it off 15 minutes or 1/4 of an hour. So since we are subtracting, that's minus or menos, and a fourth is cuarto of an hour. So it son las 12 menos cuarto. Either one of those is right. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 3:45. Or you could have said, son las 4 menos cuarto. And be sure not to get these two words mixed up. Cuatro on the left there is the number 4. It's TR. And 1/4 is cuarto. It's on the right there. It's RT. We answer son las because we're asking ¿qué hora es? What time is it right now? Number 13. ¿A qué hora es el concierto? What time is the concert? A las 5:15. We answer a las because I asked ¿a qué hora es? At what time? Or you could have answered a las 5:15. Cuarto because it's 5 o'clock, a las 5, and 1/4 of an hour, which is 15 minutes, more, y cuarto. Notice it is not 5:04. A las 5:04 would make it 4 minutes after 5. ¿Qué hora es? Es la medianoche. It's midnight. Oh, I just remembered. On the last one that I had, when I had 12 a.m., I got confused and I thought it was noon when I put 12 a.m., so I told you in one of the examples before that it was mediodía. I get my AMs and my PMs confused when I'm dealing with 12 o'clock. That's why I always like to deal with the 24-hour clock. And therefore, you'll notice the digital clock on the left, it could either show up as 2400 hours, or more often than not, it will probably revert to 0 hours, but in Spanish we would still say 24 horas or medianoche. ¿A qué hora es la fiesta? What time is the party? A las 12:30, at 12:30. Or you could have said a las 12:30. Either one of those correct. Oh, you'll say, wait a minute, what happened to medianoche or mediodía? When we add minutes after midnight or noon, we have to switch back to the number 12 and then add the minutes on afterwards. And then you'll have to ask, is de la mañana or de la tarde, to find out whether it's in the afternoon or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you're doing this for Mr. Gardner, make sure you turn your paper into him to show that you've done this video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.